If you need to sign documents online, chances are you have heard of Docusign. It is one of the biggest e-signature platforms in the world, used by businesses, freelancers, real estate agents, and even individuals. But in 2026, is Docusign still worth using? And is it better than newer competitors? In this video, I'll cover Docusign's features, pricing, pros, cons, and who should actually use it. And for now, let's get started. What is Docusign? Docusign is an electronic signature platform that lets you sign, send, and manage documents digitally. Instead of printing papers, signing them manually, and scanning them back, you can handle everything online in minutes. It supports contracts, agreements, invoices, HR documents, NDAs, and more. DocuSign works on desktop and mobile, and it integrates with tools like Google Drive, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Zoom, and Dropbox. Main features: electronic signatures. This is the core feature. You can upload a document, place signature fields, and send it to others for signing. Recipients don't even need a DocuSign account to sign documents. The signing process is very simple and beginner friendly. Number two, templates. If you repeatedly send the same document like contracts or forms, you can save it as template. This saves a lot of time for businesses and freelancers. Document tracking. DocuSign lets you track document status in real time. You can see when a document was opened, who signed it, who still needs to sign, when the process is completed. This is useful for sales teams and client work. Security and compliance. Security is one of DocuSign's biggest strengths. It includes encryption, audit trails, identity verification, compliance with major e-signature laws. That is one reason large companies trust it. Integrations. DocuSign integrates with many popular tools including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, HubSpot, Dropbox. This makes it easy to fit into existing workflows. Pros: easy to use. The interface is clean and straightforward, even for beginners. You can send documents for signing in just a few minutes. Trusted brand. DocuSign is widely recognized, so clients and businesses usually trust documents sent through it. Strong security. It offers enterprise level security features and detailed audit logs. Great mobile experience. The mobile app works well for signing documents on the go. Powerful for businesses. Features like templates, bulk sending, workflows, and integrations make it very useful for teams. Cons. Of course, as we all know, nothing is perfect and it has some downsides. Number one is expensive compared to competitors. DocuSign is not the cheapest option. Some alternatives like PandaDoc, Sign Now, or Dropbox Sign may offer better value for small businesses. Advanced features are locked behind higher plans. Some useful tools require more expensive subscriptions. This can be frustrating for smaller users. Occasional learning curve for automation features. Basic signing is easy, but advanced workflows and integrations can take time to learn. Pricing. DocuSign offers several pricing tiers depending on your needs. There are plans for individuals, small businesses, teams, large enterprises, and the basic plans work fine for simple signatures, while higher tier plans add advanced automation, analytics, and integrations. For the latest pricing, check the official website because plans can change over time. Who should use DocuSign? DocuSign is best for businesses handling contracts regularly, freelancers working with clients, real estate professionals, HR teams, sales teams, anyone wanting secure digital signatures. But if you only sign documents occasionally, a cheaper alternative might make more sense. Final verdict and conclusion. So is DocuSign worth it in 2026? For most businesses, yes. It's reliable, secure, easy to use, and packed with professional features. The biggest downside is pricing, especially for smaller teams and smaller users, but the platform still delivers one of the best overall e-signature experiences available today. If you need a trusted solution for digital document signing, DocuSign is still one of the safest choices in 2026. And that is it for DocuSign review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for more software reviews and comparisons, share this video to your friends, and tell me down below in the comments if you have used DocuSign or other e-signature softwares before. Thank you for watching and goodbye.